An update to a story that we broke to you earlier this week. The Extendicare Health and Rehabilitation Center confirmed 5 cases of the respiratory illness known as the whooping cough. Now the health department has confirmed 11 people in Houston and Henry County areas have been infected with pertussis, also known as whooping cough, 6 of which originated from right there in that building.
Pertussis is always occurring. There's always cases that we have throughout the state.
We just want to stress that there is no active cases of pertussis in our building. Our protocols in place work great.
So they did a good job of getting it out of the building. They said the protocol they have in place was able to stop the respiratory illness from spreading throughout the facility. Thursday